Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Germany's Mercedes-Benz and Sweden's H2 Green Steel have signed a binding agreement for the delivery of about 50,000 tons of green steel to the car makers' European production annually, they said in a statement. European stock markets dipped and the US dollar nudged higher as weak Chinese trade data had investors fretting about softening global demand, with attention turning towards next week's pivotal inflation data and Federal Reserve meeting. Major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether and Tether's USD stablecoin have been trading at large premiums on Binance US, a sign that investors are exiting the platform in light of the US Securities and Exchange Commission's actions against the company.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's trade balance will be released at 0130 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey current at 0500 hours GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 1230 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT. The Eurozone's gross domestic product at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.